Hi guys, it's your girl Jula and welcome back to another tutorial on my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. That's a I think medium size twist with curly ends. So without further ado, let's get right into that video. So I'm all done with the sectioning. The difficult part is the back. I don't know if I got it right. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and so like last night I did most of the work. Yeah, I did the back and some parts of the front because it was mostly try and error. I've not braided my hair or done my hair for like 2 years, so I had forgotten even how to twist, so it was mostly try and error. I had to do and redo and all that. Yeah, so I curled the ends, which, well, I didn't get it right. So I normally use a rope, but I'm on campus now and I didn't have any rope, so I had to go in and use my shoelace. Oh my god, I think this net is not helping. I don't know if you guys can really see. Okay, I think this is better. This is what we have now. So I'm left with just 4 twists to do. So I'm going to do that on camera so you guys can see the process and do it on your own. Okay. But yeah, I love how it turned out. Honestly, I actually was about to stop, like, to be frank, because I was doing it and the twists were unraveling. Like, I had forgotten how to twist, but then through perseverance and determination I got it done. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I'm not done, but even look at how I so I'm going to go ahead and do, so right now I have just 3 sessions left. That's because I was recording for my Instagram, so I did this one for Instagram. So I don't know if it's because of the number of sections that I did, or because I'm not really doing a jumbo, but I used just 1 pack, which I thought I was going to use 2. So this is the last one. These extensions come in 4 packs and I've used 3. This is the last one, and I think it will cover for the 3, and I will maybe have some remaining. So if you intend on doing it and you think you are going to, so you know, I have like 26 sections, 26 twists plus these 3, 26. So if you are doing it and you have the same sections, 26 sections as mine, and you want the same weight and all that, you don't want it so big, then I think 1 pack of the easy braid extension will be okay. But if you want it so big, like jumbo twist, then you would have to buy 2 of the extensions. So this is the amount of hair I take. It's not that much because I don't want it so big. But first off, before you proceed, you take the section you are going to work on. Then when I was doing my sections, I tied each section with a black rubber band, so I'll take that off. Then I'll take my Eco Styler gel, which I really regret. I think I should have gotten something like S Block or Shine and Jam, because Eco Styler doesn't really hold my natural hair well, so it doesn't really make it sleek. So if you can see, although I've installed it, but it looks like I've had this braid for like a week. So if you want your parts sleek and everything to lie down, I think you should use Shine and Jam or S Block or any gel at all that holds your hair well, especially if you have natural hair. But then yeah, I'm using Eco Styler because that's what I had and I didn't have anything. So after I use the gel on it, put the rubber band in the middle and leave some space because I'll be putting the extensions in. So I go ahead and twist the extensions over my hand like this. Then I divide my section into two. Then I pull the hair out just like so. And after that, you want to make sure each part of the extension is the same length so that you don't have to borrow whilst you are twisting down, because you don't want to borrow when you are twisting. That makes your twist some way. So after making sure of the length, you divide your natural hair into two. Then you pull like this to make it tight. Then you separate the extension to each of the natural hair. Then you begin to twist. And as you are twisting, as you can watch my hand, I twist the hair before twisting. So I don't know if you can see, like so. So as you can see, I'm twisting the hair before putting it over each other. That's the secret to getting tight twist, else your twist is going to be loose and unravel right after you are done. So you would want to twist before twist like this. Then as you are getting to the end of your natural hair, you want to make sure you tuck it in so that it doesn't come out after you are done. So you hide it in the extension, then you continue twisting. You're not curling the ends as I am doing, then you just go ahead and twist it down. But then I wanted to curl my ends, so you would compare to the previous one that you've done where you are supposed to stop. So I'm going to twist for maybe just twice. Then just at the point where you want to stop twisting and leave the hair for the curls, you take a bit of the hair out just like so. Then you make a knot. So in making a knot, you pull the hair, then you put it over your thumb, then you make a knot like this. But we want to make sure it doesn't unravel, so I'm going to go ahead and tie another knot to make sure it doesn't unravel. So that one, you separate the hair, you pull out, then you make a regular knot just like so. And there you have it. So I mean, my twists are still not really perfect, but it's better than when I first started. I wish I recorded that part. So if you missed any step, you can go back and watch it again. So I'm going to do the rest of the two, then we can go ahead and end the video. that's left to do is the curling of the tips. So as I said, I normally use rope to curl my ends, but I didn't have rope, so I had to compromise and use my shoelace. And it wasn't that bad. I mean, it could have been better, but this is what I got, and it's not so bad. So you want to go ahead and take the individual twist, then put them together right at where the hair that you want to curl begins. So like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, so like this. Then you need a comb, because you want to ensure there are no knots in the hair before you curl them. So you go ahead and you comb them so it's silky smooth, just like so. So after you're done, you tie the points at which the twist ends and the hair for the curls begin. So like this. You tie it really tight, because you are going, after you are done twisting, you are going to pull. So you tie it like this, so you have something like this, right? If you are using the rope, this is the same process. So after you're done, you take it like this, then you wrap it around the hair, but you leave gaps like this, not so tight, loose. So you wrap it around it like so. Oh my god. The distance between me and my camera is not that far, so I can't really show you. So this is how you're supposed to wrap it. You have it like this, then you pull the rope, what you are using for twisting, like this. And with pulling, you pull it really tight to have something like this. Yeah. So after you're done, if I was using a rope, I would have gone ahead and tied the rope, but this is my lace and I can't really tie it, so I'll be tying the hair instead. I think maybe later I'll upload a tutorial to show you how to really curl. This is an emergency, I guess. So you might not get it really well, but it's the same process like when you are using them. But so you are supposed to have something like this after you are done. So I have my hot water right here in this container, so you are going to dip the curls in it just like this and set it for like a couple of seconds. So once you're done setting it, you're going to pull it out, but first off you need a towel, because it's really hot and you don't want to hurt yourself. So pull it just like so, then you try to soak the water off for some seconds. Yeah, you're going to go ahead and unravel it. So if it was the rope, you just cut this part, but I still need my lace, so I'm undoing the knot I did, then I go ahead and take the lace off just like so. Then I'll do this knot right here. Yeah, so this is it. So I mean, it's not a perfect curls, so this is what we have right here. It's not a perfect curls, as I said, but we can do with that. The next step is pretty optional. I just go ahead and take some mousse, then put it on the curls too. I don't really know what it does, but it just makes it look nice. So you can skip this step if you don't have the mousse. Yeah. So just like so. Then ta-da, we are done. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's it. I hope you got these steps correctly, and if you skipped anything you can just go back and make sure you got it right. Let me know what you think about this twist. Personally, I'm really feeling it. I didn't think I would really like it, but yeah. So let me know what you guys think. Is this something you would like to try? And yeah, any questions you have, I'll be sure to answer them in the comment sections. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any tutorial I post next.